world's first multiplayer race and battle drone game with real palm-sized drones. The game which turns gamers into pilots and pilots into gamers. We proudly present to you a new generation of gaming. Let's race. You will use mobile devices to control the drones and to connect with other players. Interactive bases can be used as power-ups that can affect other players. Bonus points to rank up or tricky traps generator. Special durable plastic is mixed to withstand falls and crashes with no damage. The app offers intuitive tilting controls, control joystick and a cooldown button for boosts and missiles. Your final results are shared with other players online. Challenge your friends with Team Battle Mode. Steal the flag from your enemy and defend your own. Every team member has different roles and powers. Team tactics is the key. Drones have an inbuilt infrared LED cannon to shoot light rays with encoded ID. This allows shots to differ from each other. You can virtually equip the drone with different equipment in the Drone and Base app. Adding more armor slows down the drone, but allows you to withstand more hits when defending the base. Placing more bases with power-ups around the battlefield will make the game even more interesting. Base shoots infrared rays upwards, which are detected by drones flying nearby the base. The base can be preset to work as a flag or power-up using the Drone and Base app. A little bit of teamwork and a well-timed missile launch can help you overcome the enemy and win the battle. Your results are shown on a scorecard and shared with other players online. If you want to improve your skills, you can use the base as a shooting target. Single-player games can help you fill the time and get you going before your friends come to a Drone and Base gaming party. The complete Drone and Base package includes drone and base, 2 batteries, battery charger and spare props. Propellers are made to be almost indestructible. An electronic board stabilizes the drone 400 times per second. Data is transmitted via low-energy Bluetooth within a 30-meter range. A separate processor is used for infrared game communication. 2 multicolored LEDs indicate drone status, hits and team color. Drone has 3 infrared receivers for 360 degrees coverage. The portable charger is powered from a USB port and can charge up to 4 batteries. It comes ready to fly outside the box. Just plug in the battery, download the app and fly.
Everything now moves at thundering speed, and our cities, careers, and lives aren't slowing down. This pace and power of technology has given us great mobility, but we've stopped feeling connected. We text Time to stop shouting and start hearing with Ripple Buds.
Music is really about a mood or a feeling, and Luna really does that. It really connects you with the music, really helps to get you there.
It really took me by surprise, honestly, to have such full, beautiful sound coming out of this compact device. And with the brushed aluminum, the surface feels familiar, like my iPhone.
So I can imagine having this at a dinner party, with my family and friends around. It's a great conversation piece, but it's also very subtle.
Meet Luna by Crazy Baby, a revolutionary smart wireless speaker. We listen to music more than ever, and with Luna you can take hi-fi audio with you throughout your day. In party mode, you can give access to multiple phones, and you can sync up to 32 devices at once. Luna will automatically set up stereo and pairing when you use more than one device, with left and right channels. We believe a space with music is a space where something unexpected can happen. That's why, with the Luna app, switching from Wi-Fi to Bluetooth is simple. Creating an atmosphere to work, play, or spend time with those you love is something we do every day. Luna makes this experience seamless, from any smart device in any room, at the same time. Luna is made from aircraft-grade aluminum. It's ultra-durable and portable. We've considered each part of Luna, inside and out, so you can simply let the music connect us and connect to Luna. This is Luna by Crazy Baby.
Meet Olo. Imagine being able to print 3D objects directly from your smartphone for under $100. Olo is the first smartphone-powered 3D printer. Simple and affordable, Olo uses the light from the screen of your smartphone to print 3D objects. Half of its hardware is already in your pocket. Olo works with phones of all sizes. Its app is available for iOS, Android, and Windows Phone. Creating 3D objects is as simple as picking a design from Olo's easy-to-use library. Or you can use any 3D mobile app, including 3D scanning, to make your own. You can also choose designs from the web that are created by others or shared via social media. Olo can print files from the 3D design software of your choice. Select your object, pour in the resin, and Olo does the rest. Olo uses a special photopolymeric resin. Olo prints your design by using the light from the screen of your smartphone to harden the liquid resin layer by layer. Olo can even print multiples of the same object, or several different objects all at the same time. After Olo prints your 3D object, all you need to do is rinse it under warm water. Olo has different resins for different jobs. Olo can print hard objects and flexible ones. Olo even has a castable resin that can be fused, so you can create an object in silver and gold or other casting metals. Olo's resins can be used to print translucent models to light up your designs. Olo resins are available in a variety of colors, and are priced competitively with other common 3D printing materials. Anyone can use Olo. All you need is creativity. With Olo, you can exchange creations with people all over the world. You can even send a surprise gift to someone special that can only be revealed by printing it.
When it came to Olo, we wanted to revolutionize 3D printing.
We wanted to design a 3D printer that's affordable and easy to use.
Olo will cost just $99.
Because we want everyone to have one.
Spread the word. Help us bring Olo to everyone.
Why stash your tactical rifle or home defense shotgun in a closet or basement safe, far from where you might need it? The Gunbox Sentinel, the newest addition to our groundbreaking Gunbox lineup, allows you to bring your gun out of hiding and into safe, quick, accessible storage. Sentinel's sleek, contemporary look invites you to put it in the living room, bedroom, work, or home office, anywhere you might need to get to your gun quickly. In true Gunbox fashion, Sentinel is very different from anything else on the market. It's a tough, pressure-formed, zero-weld alloy container with dual die-cast interlocking hinges and redundant servo-controlled interlocking latches. This allows Sentinel to achieve the highest levels of security possible in an openly displayed container. If the high-tech enclosure and the electronic bells and whistles aren't enough, Sentinel is a standalone hi-fi speaker system allowing you to stream music from your smartphone. Sentinel is secure, tough, looks great, and sounds fantastic. Like all Gunbox products, Sentinel can be opened in seconds with a touch of a finger, the wave of a keycard or fob, or with a tap of a finger via the smartphone app. Sentinel can easily be secured to the floor and comes with an audible motion and tamper alarm that will sound if it's bumped or moved. Purchase the insert for storage of ammo and other related items. You can configure Sentinel by downloading the EeziTech app on your smartphone. With the app, you can adjust the timeout of the audible alarm, configure the fingerprint reader to ensure a good read every time, or set up shared or timed access. With 5 great color options, carbon black, gunsmoke, billet gray, arctic white, or bond black, you're sure to find the one that best fits your style and decor. Sentinel stands 43.5 inches tall, and it'll hold a gun that is 39 inches long. The Gunbox Sentinel is the modern-day gun on the mantle. It's time your tactical rifle or home defense shotgun was where it really needs to be. Secured safely, in plain sight, ready when you need it.
Here at the Gunbox, we're proud of our lineup. It's not like anything else on the market. Join us on Indiegogo and help us continue to bring forth products that will allow us to protect our families and have quick and easy access in a situation where we may need them the most.